Welcome to the video tutorial for accessing and completing annual compliance through the Skillport online learning system. This tutorial will guide you through a basic login, navigation, and completion. From the main page at www.valdosta.edu, select the My VSU link in the upper right-hand corner. Enter your single sign-on credentials and then click Sign In. Next, you will see the My VSU main page. From here, you'll select the View All button in the Portal section of the page. From here, you'll be able to select the Skillport Employee Training option. You're now on the Skillport main page for Valdosta State University. To access any learning plan that you've been assigned, including the annual compliance modules, click on the Learning Plan icon on the top left side of the screen. The 2019 VSU Annual Compliance Learning Plan will be listed in the middle of the screen. To access the module, simply click on the title of the course. This will launch the learning plan, enabling you to see all of the different modules that need to be completed. To launch each module, click the blue box located to the left of each topic name. Then, click Launch to begin the specific learning module. Please make sure that you've allowed pop-ups on your web browser. If your pop-up blocker is enabled, this will keep the content page from loading on your screen. Many of the modules will require you to agree to the conditions of self-monitored training before accessing the content. Click the Agree button to continue into the learning plan. It's important to note the menu options on the left side of the learning module. Completion status allows users to view progress for each required task. Once the content area has been successfully completed by viewing all content and by completing all associated tests, the task will show as completed. The table of contents will show each separate learning title, as well as a completion overview. A fully green circle means that the content area's requirements have been satisfied. To get back to the main menu, click Menu in the upper left corner. Once you've viewed all the content in the table of contents, you may click on the Course Test option. This will launch the test that must be successfully completed in order to satisfy the requirements for each module. The Resources link will take you to any additional job aids or resources associated with the content in the learning module. The About link will open an overview in the Goals page for each specific learning program. The General Settings tab allows users to modify playback, animations, and keyboard accessibility to meet the needs of each individual user. Lastly, the Help tab will open resources into a new tab in your web browser that enables you to troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing while working with the content in Skillport. The bottom of the context box has many navigational tools. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the pause and the play button. The bullet list icon will allow you to view the learning points associated with the learning module. Next, the audio button allows you to mute or activate the audio for each page. The paper icon allows you to view topic and course transcripts by opening them in another window. In the center of the navigation bar are your toggle arrows. The Next button will take you to the next page of content for the learning module. The Back button will take you to the previous content page should you need to reread or experience any of the information again. The double arrows located on the left and the right sides of the center toolbar allow you to navigate entire content areas. The gear icon allows you to modify the size of the caption text by clicking the smaller arrows on either side of the percentage mark. Once you've completed the required content and tests for each learning module, you'll be given an opportunity to view your task completion, print your record, or continue exiting the course. You may exit the course by clicking the Exit button in the upper right-hand corner. By clicking the Exit course, you'll be navigated back to the main page for the learning program. You'll move through each individual topic area by performing the steps explained in this tutorial until you've successfully completed them all. Once all of the circles next to each topic area are filled completely green, you've successfully completed your compliance requirements. For any assistance with completing annual compliance, please contact the Office of Employee and Organizational Development at 229-259-5105 or email training@valdosta.edu.